Hey guys, I'm making this quick video about the Benjyfishy, the settings for Valorant, and what are those. So you got Logitech G4X. This is like good side to ProSettings.net. 800 DPI, sensitive 0.283, EDPI 226, HZ 1000. Then he got a red cross. Maybe it's going to change it because I know that players like to change it a lot. So inner lines 1, inner line length, you can just like check it right here. And then this is like the crosshair code. Keybinds, he got the Wooting 60 HE plus. And map rotate based on the side on minimap size. General, he got 1200 for free aspect ratio, full screen mode. And multi-thread rendering, material quality low, texture quality low, detail quality low. And all the other things, we can just stop it and change it also by ourselves. And this is his gear. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.